Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
fine, fine.
So, 10 million views. How does it feels?
I am so happy. Before releasing the teaser, I don't know how the people are going to accept. This is something different concept. That tension I had, but now I am very happy because they have accepted my concept, my effort. So I am very happy.
You got doctorate.
Yes.
Why films?
Film is my passion. When I am doing MBA and PhD and all, that time and all, the movie is with me only. Inside my heart, the movie is there. So when whatever it may be, once in a my life, I have to start my career with movie. So that is why after PhD, I have started.
So, when I saw this teaser, I have a habit of checking in Google who is the cast and crew. It was, let me tell you, just phenomenal, promising. So, when I see everything, it was so rustic. It was not like routine genre of the movie. It mentioned like mud race adventurous. So, where and all you shot this film?
Yeah, I shot the border of Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Say hill area is there. When coming to the character, so the story demands that character, something bold and rough character. So I made them after giving 2 years training to the character. Yeah,
సో కెన్ ఐ టాక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు తెలుగు వస్తుందా మీకు
yeah, Telugu I can understand. Yeah,
ఓకే తెలుగులో ఏమొచ్చు మీకు కెన్ యూ టాక్ ఎనీథింగ్ తెలుగు ఎలా ఉన్నారు వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ ఎలా ఉన్నారు ఫర్ యూ ఎలా ఉన్నారు
so
హౌ ఆర్ యూ
yeah, yeah. Sugamano means in Malayalam. Yes, yes. Yeah, in English, yeah, I can understand.
సో వీల్ గోనా టాక్ అబౌట్ దిస్ టీజర్ you mentioned like two devils. I understand devils is not meant by devils in the film. The character would be like very rustic, very ruler, very kind of arrogant people. It means, according to my knowledge. So you mentioned everything in detail, like 5 years of your hard work. So 5 years is not a very small job. You feel so much insecurities in you. What make you to go through in this process for 5 years to get into this final product?
Yeah, because when I am coming with the new thread, I have to do lot of pre-production work, especially the artist side, especially the mud race concept. I have to see the mud race. I used to travel all over India, different types of mud race. What is the character and attitude of the mud racers? So I have to learn first. Then the locations, then artists, because artists should spend the time and energy, lot of time and energy. They should able to take the risk also. This adventurous thing. So like that, people have to get for the movie. So it made me a lot of time. Then after the production, during the production also, I am dealing with the different vehicles, the accidents, damages, breakdowns. It's in dense forest. So sometimes,
Have you ever felt of scared of this wild animals because you know there's a thick forest in the border of Kerala and Tamil Nadu? How does it feels exactly?
yeah, in forest means one side it is very happy because I can shoot without any more problems. Another side is a danger also, wild animals. Then the connectivity is very less. The equipments we have to carry, the food items we have to carry, the no network, even the phone calls, we are not able to do the phone calls.
How was your cast and crew? How hardly they worked for you?
Yeah, they done very well. They done good job. Whenever I am handovering the sketch to the artist, this is the character I want. This is the name of the character. This character behavior, attitude. What is their history? How they made, how they become like this. This is the attitude they need. Then when I am handovering to the sketch, from that time onwards, they are trying to become the character mentally and physically and even the race side also, mud race side.
Not only you, like Yuvan is and Ridhan Krishna, they're also like debutant actors, right? So what make you to choose them? Did you feel they're worth to choose for these roles?
Yes, whenever I if I am approaching, I already tried to few artists also before reaching to them. but the time is the matter because I need lot of time
Okay.
because I need the realistic mud
Is that
race.
the only reason you didn't cast any star?
Yes, that is the main reason.
Okay.
So they are ready to spend the time. They are very passionate about the vehicles, the race.
Okay.
They are ready to put their energy. They are ready to take the risk because lot of risk is there involved in this movie. So then I thought I will start with them.
So you are a debutant director. So what make you to choose and give 5 years of your time, and like what make you to think to make it as a pan India film?
Yeah, one thing when I am starting about this concept, before also so many people tried to make it movie. This mud race they tried, but they didn't finish it.
Okay.
Somewhere they stopped.
Okay.
So I thought, why I can't do this movie?
Okay.
So I have taken it as a challenge. So I started with the concept. Another universal movie, five language movie means it's a universal product
Okay.
because the competition item, sports race is there. So I thought everyone should enjoy the movie. The first time in Indian industry, film industry, this type of mud race is coming.
Okay.
So all audience should enjoy the movie. They should get the feel of mud race. So that is why I came with the Pan India.
Fine. So, like in Telugu, Bahubali, in Kannada, yes, KGF. So, you want to make Malayalam film industry to the next level, to take it to the next level with this film?
Malayalam industry is so strong actually. Very legend people are there. Direction side, artist side. This is something different concept I am trying.
Okay.
That's all.
So, which film or which situation make you to become a filmmaker?
Filmmaker, yeah. Um, from starting onwards, I had the passion about the movie.
Okay.
So I was thinking.
What age you decide you want to become a filmmaker? Have you ever said somebody like you look like a film actor? Why don't you try as an actor?
No.
Okay.
You know,
So you don't want to become an actor.
no, that I am not able to say now. That I am not able to say now. Still, now I am concentrating only in direction and the making part only, creative side only. If acting coming across my life means the situation coming means, let's see.
Okay, we'll talk more about this teaser. When I saw like నేను వెతుక్కుంటూనే ఉన్నాను where is the heroine, where is the heroine, she kept just like this and she like just like that. So is that any suspense that you don't want to show more glamour side or else like more rustic glamour? What does it feels you to not to show much glamour in the film?
No, it's basically the mood of the film is something different, the rustic type and like that mood only, the total movie. So I have to brief the movie in a teaser.
Okay.
So that is why I kept the teaser like that.
Okay. When did you start this filming this part?
Part means production.
Yeah, the production, pre-production, post-production.
Yeah, it's around 2014 I have started.
So
2000.
have you ever felt like why I want to do this? Let me make a commercial movie and bag so many opportunities.
Because lot of situations had, because when I am facing the different challenges, pre-production, I used to travel a lot to find the locations, artists. That time and all, I was thinking it's maybe challenging. I don't know how I am going to finish the movie. It's risk is there. Still, I have the confidence. Anyhow, I have to try. I have to start something differently in the industry. So I have to come to the industry with something different. That is why I started.
There is a saying in Telugu like kodite kumbasthalanne kottali. You started everything with so much of hardship, like looking this rustic kind of background, mud adventurous thriller, and shooting in thick dark forest. Like as you already said, you don't get so much of signals, not like routine commercial shooting. Have you ever felt like any weirdest situation like, man, I should shoot some commercial movie rather than this?
Because anyhow I have to make it this as a movie. This concept I have to make anyhow, because a lot of people already started, they are not able to finish. That point is there. So whatever the challenges I have to face means I have to face and I have to finish the project. So that mindset I already had. So whenever the challenges coming, I was facing the challenge.
Okay, tell me about the lead actors. ఎలా అనిపించారు వాళ్ళు దీనిలో చేయడం? Did they fulfill your the craving of to become a filmmaker?
Sometimes the shooting also, my confidence level used to come down sometimes when accidents, damages, problems, lot of problems. When I am seeing their performance, their real performance, then again I am coming with the confidence.
Can you tell us what is one of the scariest accident that happened? Undoubtedly, it will happen because it's a thick forest. Yeah. So, can you tell me one incident which happened, which really make you to drown?
Itself, I have included one shot, helicam shot, through the forest. So in that area, two overtakes should have been happen. So that is very narrow road. Okay, very narrow. If anything happen, it will, the jeep will come go down. So that time there is a two overtakes was there. So the hero done fantastically. That is the timing. Okay, when we were thinking it's accident will happen anyhow. We are very caring about that actually. We are taking the caution about that. But fortunately, it's not happened. He done fantastic job. Yeah.
So, when you saw
After finishing that scene, I was very happy. Yeah, whatever in my mind, they have done beautifully. Not only him, all competitors, because other competitors are real mud racers. They have done beautiful job.
Okay, you have hired like people from who are into this community. Okay. Okay. So, have you tried this mud racing?
I tried little only
Okay.
for knowing the fact. Yeah.
What effort you put when you want to do this film, like mud racing, adventure, thriller? Did you travel with them?
Yeah, definitely. Lot of travelings, off-road travelings, experiencing the travel, their behavior, their attitude. Then I have mingled with different type of mud racers. So that made me more confident. When I am getting their support, real support, that also very helpful for me in the movie.
Okay. Like, can you tell about heroine Gun Japtara? Because ఇలా చాలా వెళ్ళిపోయింది ఆ అమ్మాయి. So, who is she? Where is she from? And like,
She's from Kerala. She's from Kerala only.
so there is no other state artist like.
Yeah, artist is there, Tamil is there, even Harish
Do
Per.
you see any Telugu actor in this film?
Telugu artist, I think you know about Harish Parody.
Okay.
Yeah, Harish Parody, like that people you know.
Okay. So when you want to cast somebody, what is your major criteria in your mind? You want only from the region, from your locality, or else you want the talent?
Not like that. Because as a new director, I have a lot of limitations. I can't reach to all artists or all technicians. I was facing that problem really. So I tried a lot. Then finally I reached this type of people.
Okay.
So then I thought I have to start the project.
When you saw this 10 million views, it's not small thing. It's a huge, humongous thing. I can say that. So what is your exact feeling? Did you made it drift or what?
I am so happy to see.
You're a cloud nine by looking at this numbers.
Anyhow, I am very happy to see the 10 million views. People has accepted my efforts. So by seeing these views and comments, then lot of comments coming, a lot of messages coming to me. So I am very happy to see that.
Okay, when I talk about this music, I can say like Ravi Basura garu ichchipada sir, because everybody knows like a Kannada film, everybody turned out like this just because of his music. So just because of his KGF or Ugram, Samhara, this made you to choose him as a music director?
When coming to the music, it's a very complicated job actually. As a mud race movie, the sound design we have to focus. There is no clash between the RR and the effects. So I finally I reached Ravi sir. So personally he came to the locations. He saw the footages. So he was very happy. Then that time he told, yeah, we can do something differently. A lot of space is there for music. Then we have started. Around 2 years, the continuous work is going on. Different versions we were used to do, trial versions. Finally, we have made with the final version.
Fine. When you see this magnanimous product coming out, we have to talk about the hard work of technicians. Can you tell me about like who is your favorite technician?
The total team is very favorite for me. The all technicians, they made me very well. They made That is why I am sitting here now. All departments supported me a lot.
favorite, music director or technician? On the hard yes, you have to answer.
All technicians done fantastic job from their side.
Okay.
So I am not able to say this technician is favorite, this technician is favorite. Everyone is very favorite to me. Yeah.
సో యాజ్ అన్ లైక్ తెలుగు ఆడియన్గా ఈ సినిమా నేను ఎందుకు చూడాలి అసలు? వై షుడ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు సీ దిస్ ఫిల్మ్? వై?
Why means something different concept. The strong story is there. All type of age categories, all type of audience can enjoy the movie. The visual treatments is something different. Even the music side, entire technical side is something different.
So you mentioned the real incidents.
Yes.
So what is the exact real incidents? Is it fictional or non-fictional?
It's a real incidents means fiction. What I can say, it's a real life story only, not real life story.
We can connect to many of them.
Yes, you can connect to.
Okay. So we can expect any romantic number in this?
Yeah, romance also is there.
Romantic
Yeah.
So what's your favorite song? No, it yet to release, but can you leak just what is your favorite song in this?
Now I am not able to say because every second is very favorite for me because that much time I have taken. Yeah.
So tell me about your producer. Your producer should be the backbone, strongest pillar to make this film not to 1-2 years, 6 long years. It's not a small thing. So can you tell me about your producer?
Yeah, whenever they are seeing my effort, my confidence level, my that presentations and all, they supported me during the before the production, during the production also. Whatever I am asking my requirements without any hesitation, they have supplied. In the different modified vehicles I have used in the movie, so they supplied everything. Yeah.
Fine. ఎందుకు ఇన్ని ఇయర్స్ పట్టింది? 6 ఏళ్ళు ఎందుకు పట్టింది ఈ సినిమా తీయడానికి? Can you make it in 2 years? I can say because I don't have as an audience, Telugu audience, I can say like you can make it this film in 2 years, no, with the pre-planned production.
One person is thinking Mud Race movie next time. Definitely they can make it within 2 years. Because when I am starting, there is no reference movie. There is no Mud Race. Yes.
Touch this genre.
Yes. That is why.
So what make you to travel from Malayalam to Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Hindi? So what make you to make this film bigger?
All languages.
So from the beginning you decided to want to make it as a pan-India film?
Yeah, when the concept was developed, I thought it's a pan-India movie because there is no Mud Race movie in India. So everyone should enjoy that movie. So I was thinking like that only.
So have you been with the editor when you cut this teaser?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when we can expect
This entire movie, the all department I used to sit and work, discussions, lot of discussions.
every point of the pre-production, shoot, post-production, editing. So when can we expect the trailer?
Trailer soon you can expect.
So we can expect double digit, triple digit. Now we're expecting 1 crore views. Then we can expect like 2 to 3 crores or 10 crores.
Going to accept.
So only one part. You have any plans to make it as a 2 parts or it's like only 1 part?
Yeah, second part chance is there.
Okay.
Yeah.
The chances are there.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time, director.